Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sound and the app you'll use. Pick or trim the audio to a maximum of 30 seconds so iOS accepts it as a tone. Once done, save the file to Files or open it directly from the source app. Make sure GarageBand is installed and has permission to access files and audio. Now open a new GarageBand project and get ready to import the clip. This is the first actionable step toward creating a custom notification sound. You'll import the trimmed audio into GarageBand and perform focused edits so it behaves like a tone. Tap Tracks, use the Loop browser to import your file, then trim and position the region. Make sure song sections are set to 30 seconds so the export matches iOS limits. Fade in/out or adjust levels if needed for clarity. When it sounds right, tap Share, choose Ringtone, give it a clear name, and export. That creates a system-recognized ringtone entry. Once exported, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics and pick text tone or the alert type you want. Your new tone appears in ringtones. You can also open contacts and assign the tone per person for immediate personalization. If the tone doesn't appear or won't play, restart the phone, check the clip length is 30 seconds or less, and re-export using GarageBand's ringtone share. Make sure volume and do not disturb aren't silencing alerts. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.